Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 and just kind of some of my overall thoughts about the phone. Now, this video itself is not meant to be a spec for spec, but I just wanted to kind of go over and do a quick unboxing and go over some of my initial thoughts, and later on in the week I will be doing my full review of the Google Pixel. So over the weekend I did go ahead and pick up the phone. I did pick it up in the stormy gray or stormy black version, and this phone has been very interesting out the gate. So I did end up actually picking up the stormy black, and just looking at the box here, I did end up getting the 128 gig because that was the one that they had available. This phone actually went out very fast. Very popular phone, especially the Pixel Pro 6 Pro, so which I'm hoping to pick up later on in the week. But today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Pixel 6 and some of my initial thoughts about it. So initially, the phone itself, I gotta say that I'm very impressed by the build of the phone. Very impressed by the build of the phone. Just pulling out of the box, it was very interesting to see. Now, I don't know every single finite detail of this phone, but very impressed by the build. So definitely bigs up Google for definitely doing a great job with it. I did get the unlocked version, and so far so good, man. I did get the inbox version, and I think what really surprised me initially, just the design itself, is the rounded corners. Now, I heard other reviewers kind of say that this is kind of an older style, but I kind of disagree. It's kind of an outdated style, but I kind of disagree because I just feel like it still looks pretty nice. It still feels pretty nice, and I think overall I'm more of a feeler. Like I want the phone in my hand to feel and see kind of see how the weight is distributed across the phone. Now, the design with the camera bump there, I think that's actually a very clever design. I think that like Marquez had mentioned, I think it's definitely a very interesting and compelling design form that we have on this phone right here. So my overall thoughts was pretty good. Now, I did take a couple of pictures with this phone, and the pictures are definitely surprising to say the least. This is the purest form of Google that I've used in a long time. Actually, my very first Google phone, I don't think I've ever had a Google phone. I've had the G1, but I'm pretty sure that was an HTC phone. I've had some other Android phones when they first started launching Android phones way back in the day. But this phone is definitely a surprise. Screen is really nice. Just the feel in the hand is very nice. Now, in the box itself, you do get the USB to USB. You do get the SIM adapter, or I'm sorry, a travel adapter, and you also do get the manual. You also do get the I mentioned the adapter already, so you do get those right out of the box. So like a lot of new phone companies, or a lot of new phones coming out, you are not given the brick, which is kind of unfortunate. I think, well, I mean, I guess I understand, but the phone itself is surprising. Like I said, I did use it briefly today, and I'm looking to do a full review towards the end of the week. Like I said, I'm really surprised by the build quality. I did wish I was able to pick up the 6 Pro to kind of do a side-by-side comparison, but that's going to be later on this week or next week when mine, hopefully when I can get to order it, it finally comes in. So there's been quite a bit of delay with phones lately, so but super excited to be trying out this phone. And also, I just wanted to quickly mention that I have been off the grid, or I was off the grid for the past few days. We did have a bit of a power outage here. There was a storm and that literally knocked the power out for the past 3 days. So it's been very interesting not having power, and yeah, so that's pretty much the video, guys. Super excited to be trying out this phone. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the phone. Definitely want to thank a lot of my new subscribers who have subscribed recently. If you are new to my channel, I generally talk about gear, tech, and a lot of things in between, to say the least. So that's pretty much what happens here on this channel. My name is JAXTWIN. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps the YouTube algorithm. I can never get that word right. Definitely consider subscribing. Please definitely click on the bell down below to stay up to date when I drop new videos every week. But that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comments down below. And as always, until my next video, peace.